Genius Nikola Tesla. Introduction. Nikola Tesla was Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and futurist who is best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current electricity supply system. Inventions. Not only did he invent alternating current AC and the AC motor, but as much as 500 US patents related to electricity. Tesla is one of the greatest minds of the 19th and 20th centuries, responsible for today's modern world. Nikola Tesla is still virtually unknown to the general public. His inventions in our daily life, from fluorescent bulb, neon lights, speedometer, the hydroelectric plant, auto ignition system, and the basics behind radar, the electron microscope, and the microwave oven, all are invented by Nikola Tesla. Very few people today have even been heard of him. Edison's light bulb. Edison had just invented the electric light bulb, but he needed a system to distribute electricity to houses. He designed a DC direct current system, but never worked the way it was supposed to. Edison promised Tesla lots of money in bonuses if he could figure out the problems. The betrayal. Nikola Tesla took the challenge and ended up saving Edison thousands of dollars by today's standards. Edison later refused to keep his promise and never paid these promised bonuses. Tesla quit not long after that broken promise, and Edison spent the rest of his life discrediting Tesla. This is the main reason Nikola Tesla was never credited for his achievements. Bad deeds. Nikola Tesla tried to convince the public that his alternating current technology was far better than direct current technologies. By that time, Edison had too much money invested into his DC system, and he tried his best to discredit Tesla by showing that AC was more dangerous than DC. He held press conference electrocuting dogs with AC and said it can kill them. Wireless broadcasting system. He began the construction of wireless broadcasting system tower on Long Island, New York. Tesla intended to use it to link the world's telephone and telegraph, to transmit pictures, stock reports, and weather information. When capitalists learned of this free wireless energy, all funding was cut. He left. Tesla was one of the world's most original and greatest inventor and thinker the world has ever known. But because he was so original and out of his time, his genius was mistaken for insanity and science fiction. The man who invented the modern world died nearly penniless at age 86. Source: Instagram @Cosmos Club @Astronomicalism. I hope you all like